Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to use invisible ink in iMessage on iPhone and iPad. Add a little mystery to your messages. People's Messages app is full of fun and interesting features designed to enhance your conversation. Among them, the invisible ink effect stands out. When enabled, these effects hide your message beneath a pixelated blur until the recipient taps it, adding a layer of mystery, surprise, or privacy. So in this video, I'll tell you how to send a message with invisible ink on iPhone and iPad. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Sending a message with invisible ink is almost as simple as sending a regular iMessage with just a couple of extra steps. For this, open the Messages app and start a new iMessage conversation or open an existing one. Then type your iMessage in the text box. To send an image or video, tap the plus button, select photos and choose the media. To send an image, long press the send button. Ensure you are on the bubble tab, select invisible ink from the list of effects and then tap send to deliver your message with the invisible ink effect. That's it, your message will now appear blurred on the recipient until they interact with it. Next, I'm going to tell you how to view invisible ink messages on iPhone. When you receive an invisible ink message, the notification will display message sent with invisible ink instead of the usual preview. View the message, tap the notification to open the conversation in message. You will see the message hidden under the shimmering pixelated blur. Tap or swipe across the message to reveal it temporarily. After a few seconds, the blur effect will return automatically. And you are done. I'll tell you some tips and tricks for using invisible ink creatively. Invisible ink isn't just about privacy, it adds creativity and excitement to your messages. By using it in fun and clever ways like hide surprises, play trivia or riddles, send flirty or sweet notes, avoid spoilers, protect sensitive info, you can use emoji and sticker fun and build suspenses. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to use invisible ink in iMessages on iPhone and iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.